Social media has become a necessity in our society today. Its existence has made communication much easier and convenient than it was before. It has indeed paved the way for many great things, from reaching different audiences all around the world to building new connections or maintaining old ones. Another great thing that this has added for both consumers and business owners is the use of social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to promote products and services. Because of social media, brands can reach out to an audience in their desired target market and make a brand connection with potential customers. It is true, social media has become a powerful marketing tool for many brands. It's a revolutionary way for brands to engage with their audience and find new customers. It offers businesses the opportunity to use different platforms as a way of introducing their product or services, maximizing exposure, attracting new customers, encouraging customer loyalty, and building brand recognition for the company. Marketing on social media can be a challenging task, but don't worry, it's not as difficult as one may think. But before you start marketing your book, you need to know what a quality social media post should look like. Here are some of the best practices that you should do when posting on social media. First on, your agenda is having a good image that snatches your audience attention. Imagine your potential client is scrolling down their feed and they see your post. They need to be interested enough to click and explore what's happening. The second thing to practice is having an attractive headline that intrigues readers enough to make them click on your post. After they see your image and your interesting headline, they will be curious enough to click. The next best practice is to engage with your audience. People don't just want to read your post, they want to be involved. Do your best to respond whenever someone makes a quick inquiry. Either you send them a message or a quick comment. Encourage them to like, comment, and share your post. The next best practice is timing. This is not just a good practice in social media, but in marketing overall. Check your analytics, which day of the week and what times of the day you get the most engagement. The fifth on your list of practices is to host things such as contests and events. It keeps things spicy and your prospects excited to know what to look forward to. Encourage interactions for them to like, share, and comment for a chance to win something like a paperback copy of the book as a prize. The next best practice is to include hashtags. Hashtags are words or phrases with a pound sign in front of it. These speak searchability across social media platforms. Hashtags are often used during events to promote a certain topic. Use hashtags that are easy to remember and relate to your event's theme. The last best practice is to link all your social media accounts across all platforms. On YouTube, make sure to add the links to your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts in your video description. Here are the three major social media networks you can use to promote your book. First is Facebook. Facebook has 2.3 billion monthly active users, which makes it the largest social media platform today. Make sure you use a page instead of a personal profile. It's easier to like, share, and promote, plus you gain access to their analytics program. You can see how your post performed in terms of engagements and reach. Make sure to maximize your page by including a cover photo that includes your book cover, upcoming events, and contact details. You can also add an intro video, book trailer, link to your shop, and your giveaway contests. If you're willing to spend, you can spend money on Facebook ads to gain more reach. The next social media network is YouTube. With 1.9 billion monthly active users, it is the next big thing close to Facebook. YouTube is also the second largest search engine next to Google. So you want to consider doing SEO for your YouTube videos since they are searchable on Google. The last social media network you should do your marketing is LinkedIn. If Facebook has a more friendly environment, LinkedIn is more of a professional environment. You can add your previous written work, experiences, and skill. Your LinkedIn profile is also searchable on Google. You can add your book as a job experience by typing author in the role, your book title as the company, and the dates where you worked on your book. You can also add short description of the book and a few reviews. You can also join author groups where you can exchange ideas. With these tips that I just gave you, I'm looking forward to your growth on social media. That's it for today, everyone. Don't forget, if you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up. It would really support my channel. And be sure to follow us to listen to more top-level tips and strategies for your books and businesses. Now, before you go, I just want to quickly say that you should check out the Bestseller Blueprint. It's a comprehensive guide to creating a best-selling book from scratch. It comes with a detailed checklist that I use to help hundreds of clients become best-selling authors. You can now download your copy free of charge. Just head on over to bestsellingbook.com/checklist. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.